Welcome to1棟貸切, an exclusive private sauna retreat where sophistication meets nature's tranquility. For those ready to immerse themselves in this unparalleled escape, simply scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below to secure your reservation. Tucked away in the serene landscapes of Sasayama, this bespoke accommodation offers an entire house reserved solely for your party, a sanctuary of privacy and refined comfort. Imagine surrendering to the warmth of a private sauna, followed by evenings spent beneath a canopy of stars, gathered around a crackling fire pit, or savoring the art of an open-air barbecue with your closest companions. The space is designed for those who appreciate the quiet luxury of seclusion, where every moment feels intimately yours. With thoughtful amenities, including a designated smoking area, complimentary Wi-Fi, and the convenience of shuttle service from JR篠山口station, your arrival and departure are as effortless as your stay is indulgent. Check-in at 6 p.m. welcomes you to unwind at your leisure, while a relaxed checkout until 11 a.m. ensures your final moments here are unhurried. Please note that this retreat, with only one house available, caters exclusively to those seeking an adult-oriented haven, where the focus remains on tranquility and premium experiences. To claim your stay at this unparalleled escape, simply scan the QR code now or visit the link in the description below. Your private retreat in Sasayama awaits.